Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2019 Ford Transit. From any screen here, you see there at the bottom of the menu you've got phone, audio, navigation, mobile apps and settings. If we just click navigation, brings the screen up and you've got destination there. So I'll just show you the menu. If you go on menu, traffic list, navigation settings, where am I, and so on. But we want destination here. So destination, then you've got previous destination, favorites, work, home. So you can set those two up. So you just one click without putting a postcode in. But what we need today is search. So we click search there. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, and the postcode is PR54. Now where's JS? PR54JS. Search. Just come up Waltleydale, Preston. That's it. And we want start. So click start.
Make a U-turn now and then turn right.
It's telling me to make a U-turn. We've confused it. We're on the forecourt here. But that's it. Real simple system to use, the Sat Nav, and it is a good one. Okay, now you'll see that. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Transit. You see there you've no screen, you've no buttons, you've nothing along here like you normally have for nav and so on. So the picture of the house up here in the top corner, if we click that goes back to the menu, brings the menu up, and you've got audio, phone, navigation and settings. If you go into phone, you see there my phone is already connected. I've deleted it off my phone here, but it's still in the system, and I want to delete that. So we go to settings, Bluetooth, and you've got Bluetooth, add Bluetooth devices and view devices. If you're having any trouble pairing a phone or playing music or anything, just make sure that is blue and clicked across there. And there you go. Now we need to view devices. You see my phone there, Barry's iPhone 11. Touch that, and then you've got three choices: connect phone and media, connect media, or delete. And we want to delete it. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Transit. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is switched on your phone. Then you'll see there's no menu on there. It disappears after a few seconds. So what you have to do is just touch the house symbol at the top there, the home symbol, and that brings a menu up. And you've got phone there. Now, there's a couple of ways. If there's a few phones on anyway, if you click there, sometimes you've got pair phone there, which you just click once. If not, if somebody's already in the car and so on, and it's struggling to find out which one, you'd go onto Bluetooth by clicking settings here. You've got there, and you've got add a Bluetooth device. So add a Bluetooth device.
On your device and select it once it is found.
There you go. It's come up already, and we need to select Ford Transit.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Well, it does, so we'll click pair there and yes there. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync?
Please
yes.
Stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And you can see there Ford Transit, and that's connected. I'll just finish that. Don't have access to text messaging, so it's not switched on my phone. So there you go. That's it done. Also with this system, if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there. I'll just turn this down. The bottom is a silver triangle with three silver circles. If you click on that, you can hardly see it on the new update, the silver screen. You can hardly see it. It fades into the background. But you'll see there's iPhone and Ford Transit. That means it will play out the Ford Transit here. So if I go to audio and then click sources and onto Bluetooth, it's connecting to my phone. It's showing you what's going to play, the stereophonics, maybe tomorrow. if I turn that up, and then that's it. I can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But that's how you stream audio. The other tremendous thing with this system is that if you have an iPhone, if you just plug your iPhone with your charging lead into the van, need to turn that down, it'll just keep playing. Let me pause it. So there you go. You've got the Sat Nav off your phone. You see there, those are the last things I've used. If you click the 8 black squares there, it kind of mirrors the screen on your phone, at least the ones that can be used through CarPlay. And there you go, you've got phone, messages, music, Audible, WhatsApp, you name it. And you can pretty much control them all through Siri as well. You can text using Siri, you can tell it to, or you can put destination in, like, hey Siri,
I'm here.
navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Wantley Preston.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
There you go, that's a lot easier than
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage.
than trying to
Proceed to Chorley Road, then turn right.
program a touchscreen with Mars bar fingers. So it's a great system in this transit, absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching.